Hi, I'm Susan Gaytan, Director of Training and Client Services.
And I'm Michael Renaud, CEO.
And this is Road to Revenue, your guide to mastering a career in automotive sales. In this course, we'll review all of the income opportunities that are available to you proactively. We'll provide you with a complete guide on how to become successful and how to maintain that success.
We'll go through the untapped resources you have at the dealership and the outbound strategies that you need to implement to grow your business and drive your career to new heights. It's important to note, if you are brand new and have not mastered the fundamental courses on mastering sales and follow-up calls, we highly recommend that you start. If you've mastered that course, then you're going to do great here. Right, Susan?
Yes, absolutely. PhoneUp's Level 1 and 2 will help you master the basics. This is important because you want to make sure that you can handle what we call incoming or inbound traffic. That includes your follow-up skills as well. These are all tools that you will need to drive your continued success. Knowing how to effectively convert incoming calls, leads, and opportunities in general is going to be key for you to continue your success here.
Exactly. Now, if you've been around longer, let's say you've mastered the basics and now you're ready to grow your business within the dealership, make sure you take good notes because this course is going to open your eyes and have you look at this business in a very different way. So I don't care if you're a ripe green pea or you're a vet doing your thing for a lot of decades. The one thing we can agree on is that there is so much untapped opportunity when it comes to growing your customer base, your business, and your growth into a career. We work in the greatest industry and you have a job where you can make as much as you want. It's never too late to start opening up your income opportunities, building revenue streams, and advancing your career to make more money, to provide for you, your family, and have a financially stable future.
I could not have said it better. And it's never too late. If you're feeling frustrated, you're not seeing the sales you once did, or maybe you feel like the business isn't what it used to be, or you feel like timing is bad. These strategies here will help you turn things around in order to create more sales. Here are just some of the topics that we will cover in this course. Transforming your job into a thriving career, the various career paths in the car business, the hunter versus farmer mentality, the customer cycle, your CRM, and how it can be a goldmine for you.
That is such good stuff, but it only gets better. We're going to talk about the numbers game, how to expand your revenue streams, referral strategies, repeat business, equity mining, selling from service, and it goes on and on.
Man, there is no better business to be in today. And there's no limit to what you can become or to what your income can be. It's one of the only businesses in the world that allows anybody to succeed, no matter your background. Kind of makes me want to go back to the dealership myself.
Hey, let's focus on the lesson here and take these folks from good to great. Look, in today's retail auto industry, there are people that work the business and then there are people who thrive in this business. And this course is going to teach you how to thrive and have customers coming to you on a regular basis. So are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's go.